Look what Cannon brought you.
Yeah, it's something really big. Wow, this
Here, I'll hold her.
is...
Can show the camera what you got. What is that?
Oh my god. That is amazing.
You got the biggest books ever, don't you?
My back. I can't move down. Oh my yeah.
What is it?
I'm opening this present. What is that? No kidding. It's a big purse, Elise.
Look at all this stuff. It's a big purse with all your markers and art to draw. You can put toys in there if you want.
Oh, the tiny little dragon. Open it. How to take the dragon?
You want everything open today.
Oh my.
Oh.
Ow.
Are y'all okay?
Yeah.